calculus lesson is how to convert from degrees to radians. After my 5-minute video, you will be able to successfully convert from degrees to radians without a calculator. Let's start by connecting radians to degrees. Last class, we learned how to graph an angle on a coordinate plane. Let's review that topic. Draw an XY axis. Our angle will always start on the positive side of the x-axis. This is called our initial ray. And as stated in our directions, we're going to rotate that one revolution around our coordinate plane. We know that one revolution is equal to 2 pi radians. Okay, but if I take that and rotate it full circle, how many degrees would that be? It's 360 because there are 360 degrees in a circle. If 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees, pi radians has to be equal to half of that. So half of 360 is 180 degrees. We know from our investigation last time that 1 radian is equal to approximately 57 degrees, and 1 degree is approximately 1/57th of a radian. Now that we've summarized everything we need to know about radians and degrees, let's convert from degrees to radians. If you're going to convert the following from degrees to radians, you're going to multiply each degree given by pi over 180 degrees. So let's start with 70 degrees. We're going to multiply him by pi over 180 degrees. And that's a good thing that the 180 degrees is on the bottom of the fraction, because you want that degree symbol to cancel out. I want my answer to be in radians, so I should no longer have a degree symbol. Also, your zeros will cancel out, and you just have to multiply 7 times pi, which is 7 pi, and bring the 18 down on the bottom. So your final answer for your radians is 7 pi over 18 radians. Let's try the next one. Okay, so if we're converting the following from degrees to radians, we're really just multiplying by pi over 180 degrees. Okay, remember we want our answer to be radians, so we want our degree symbol to cancel out. That 0 also cancels out, and you multiply 21 times pi, get 21 pi, bring your 18 down. I would love to say that that's our final answer, but let's simplify that fraction. What can you divide 21 and 18 by? We can divide by 3 for both. Okay, the pi will just come along for the ride. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. Pi comes along for the ride. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So 7 pi over 6 is my final answer. Remember, you're doing this without a calculator, so we're testing your mental math skills. Same process for number 3. We're going to multiply by pi over 180 degrees. I want my degree symbol to cancel out. My zeros will also cancel out. After that, I'm just going to multiply negative 19 times pi on the top, and then bring the 18 down on the bottom. Think, does negative 19 over 18 reduce? It does not, so that is my final answer. Negative 19 pi over 18 radians. Last one, negative 60 degrees. Let's multiply that by pi over 180 degrees. My zeros will cancel, my degree symbol will cancel, and I have left over a negative 6 times pi on the top and an 18 on the bottom. I think that one reduces, so we can divide both of those by 6. So let's do that. Negative 6 divided by 6 is negative 1. We don't need the 1, it's just negative pi on the top. 18 divided by 6 is 3 on the bottom. So negative 60 degrees is equal to negative pi over 3 radians. Stay tuned next time for finding coterminal angles in radians.